Hello, gorgeous. How are you? I am back with a sneak peek into what you'll be learning in the upcoming 5-day virtual party challenge. Hi, I'm Jody. I'm the virtual party coach. And today I'm going to give you 3 of my absolute must-know tips for hosting fun, engaging, and profitable virtual parties. Now, you will see me looking like this because my memory is terrible. And so I have to write myself some notes, because if I don't write notes, this video will be about 20 minutes long and you don't want that. So if you see me like kind of looking off, that's what it is. I'm going to try and look here as much as possible, but just to be a little transparent, I'm reading notes because I don't know about you, but I need notes. Okay. So tip number 1, get creative with your themes. Make your parties feel fresh and fun with different kinds of themes, different themes for the seasons and what's going on in the times or whatever. Picking a great theme will give those perpetual parties, because I'm going to teach you about perpetual parties. You can have the same parties going, but you just change the names around. I'm going to tell you that I have 4 perpetual parties. Every month, I have 4 parties. Okay, number 2, use the right tools. So get the tools that make your life easier, from scheduling to communicating. There's a few key tools that it's gonna help with every little detail. And I'm gonna cover my go-to tools like Calendly, Canva, the Boards app, Zoom, and that's on day 2. So we'll look at all those tools, or it's not all those tools, it's a few tools. You set it up once and then you just go. Number 3, follow-up is key. Follow-up is where the magic happens. And the party doesn't stop when you log off. That's just the beginning. You gotta show up, follow up, and that's how you're going to get the sales and get the bookings and share the opportunity. And I have got a great way for you to follow up that gets people to make sure, and I can't wait to share it with you because it is so cool. It's going to turn your one-time attendees into loyal customers. I can't tell you how many people have come to a party, filled out my little secret thing and done what I told them to do. I know. You have to come to the 5-day challenge to find out what it is. It's like it's gold. It's gold. So trust me, it's gold. Plus you'll learn my full circle approach, which I was telling you about, which will help you close the sales and then keep your calendar full of bookings. This system is going to get you bookings. You're going to do a big, what do they call it? A booking blitz. You're going to set up this party system, and you are going to, as long as you want parties, you're going to have parties. So these are just a few gems I'll be sharing in the full challenge. So trust me, if you found these tips helpful, they're just a little bit and a little peek into next week. We'll get all the secrets. You'll get all the secrets behind the systems and exactly how to bring those parties up to the next level. Okay. So if you're ready to transform your parties, make sure and swipe that subscribe button, which means just give it a little click and you'll get reminders. Mark your calendars. Our challenge kicks off November 18th, which is next Monday. And if you're watching this some other time, it's the next video or the next one, or maybe the next one, who knows, but it'll say day 1. Right there. And it'll be right here in YouTube. So we're going to have fun. We're going to learn a lot. We're totally going to level up your virtual party game. And I might even give away some prizes. Give it away now. Yep, that sounds like fun. I love prizes. I know you love prizes. And I can't wait to see you. And I can't wait to help you with your virtual parties. This challenge is exactly what I wish that I had when I first started. Instead of having to spend lots of time and energy and pain and my husband going, oh no, because I couldn't figure it out. This is what I wish I had in the very beginning, and I am so excited to share it with you. So I can't wait to see you there. I'll see you. Bye-bye.